Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Filomena Orleanida Cajoles. I am 35 years old. I live in 18 Marian Street, Barangay Sa Uyu, Quezon City, Philippines. I am single. I am a college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. My height is 157.40 centimeters. My weight is 64 kilograms. My hobbies are cooking, singing, dancing, and doing crafts. I had a 2 years work experience as house helper here in the Philippines. I serve a couple with a newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the baby, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, ironing, doing the laundry, washing the cars, and marketing. The reason why I want to work in Hong Kong is to help my family here in the Philippines and to save money for my future. And before I end my introduction, I want to sing you a song. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Baba, black sheep, have you any more? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. I hope you like my song. And to my future employer in Hong Kong, I hope you will choose me as your future house helper. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, I am loyal, and a hard-working woman. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to serve you in the future. Thank you.